Hey Confident Naturals, welcome to Janae's Journey. I'm Janae Simone. If this is your first time here, welcome. Please hit that subscribe button, hit that bell so you can get notifications every single time I post. Today I'm coming to you guys to talk about what I got from Breezy Swimwear. So I just got a package and so they reached out to me about being an ambassador for their company, which is like a women's accessories and swimsuit company, and they value confidence in women. And you guys know me, I value confidence in women. That's what I try to put into everyone. So yeah, I think that's pretty cool. So I ordered off of their website using the code that they gave me for ambassadors, and we're gonna see what we got and how it looks, and yeah, so make sure you stay tuned. Okay you guys, so this is my package I got from Breezy Swimwear. I really do like how it's pink, it's girly, it has pineapples on it. I really love pineapples. Like, if you guys knew like the pineapple shaped stuff that I have, like it's a good amount. So anyways, so yeah, I think it's really cute. Yeah, it says everybody is a bikini body. Yes, I love that. Okay, so we're gonna just open this bad boy and see what we got and how it looks. Okay. All right, you guys, so we have this like clear pineapple kind of loose bag. Cool. Okay, and let's see what we got in here. So I know I ordered a swimsuit and a necklace, so let's see. Okay. Oh yeah, I forgot I ordered this. Okay, so yeah, the choices on there like were fine. Like, they did have some cute bathing suits and some really cute accessories. As far as the bathing suits though, I really like exotic bathing suits, like really unique bathing suits. I tried to get the one that I felt would be the most me. Though this is super cute, it is definitely more out there than probably any of my other swimsuits. Okay, so this is it. Okay, the back is out, the sides are out. It is serious. I'm about to try it on for you guys in a minute. We're gonna see how it looks. I also got it in a size small because they didn't have size medium available. So I'm hoping that the size small fits. Yeah, I'm hoping that it fits. Okay, let's see. Okay, so we have this cute little, what material is this? Kind of furry, fuzzy, I guess on the suede side material. Super cute, pink, girly. And it says Breezy Swim with a pineapple on it. So let's see what's in here. Okay, so this is the necklace that I got, which I think is super cute. So it's like one of those layered double necklaces. Okay, so as you can see, like it has these shells on it, and then it has like a little chain with an angel on it. So I think that's super cute. Trendy, it's gold. I mean, I think it's really cute, honestly, I do. So we're about to try this on, and I'm gonna give you guys, you know, what I think. Y'all tell me what y'all think about it, how it look, and all that, okay? Okay, you guys, this is definitely the most exposed bathing suit that I've ever had. So, I'm gonna show you guys really quickly, then I'm gonna give you guys my thoughts, and we're gonna just end this, okay? We're gonna just end the video, all right. Okay, you guys, this is the bathing suit. It is really dang exposed, and the back is out too. I don't know where I'm gonna wear this to, honestly. Maybe somewhere once I get my summer body really together, because this is a lot for me. But I really love this necklace. I really love the necklace. It's like, you see it has like these shells that I was saying, and then it has like the little angel. I think it's really cute. I think both of the items I got are cute. They weren't like priced a lot. Well, I did get a discount but it was fairly priced. I mean, honestly, it got to my house super quick, like within like 3 or 4 days. It was pretty awesome. But anyway, so yeah, this is Breezy Swimwear if you guys want to check them out. I don't think that I'm going to be an ambassador for them because I don't really care for how their ambassador program is set up. So I probably am not going to be an ambassador for them, but I will be a customer of theirs. And you know, if you're looking for a cute swimsuit that gets to you fast, some cute simple accessories, I say check them out. Okay, you guys, so yeah, that's it. I just wanted to come to you guys and say that. So thanks so much for tuning in, and please hit that like and subscribe button right now. I will see you guys in the next one. Bye. Oh, I did forget to say, oddly, the swimsuit smells like a Bath and Body Works body spray. But I checked it, it does look like brand new and everything. It has a tag and everything, but it smells like a spray. So I don't know if they do that. Like, the whole package didn't smell like anything, but the bathing suit does. So I thought that was kind of different. I usually like my new things to come smelling new. But yeah, so that was a little different, but it is what it is. Okay, you guys.